GTP Kids! Today we are gonna draw geometrical shapes. Hey kids, are you ready? It's very interesting. Oops! Are you ready to draw? First I am drawing a triangle. Please start to draw with me. It's very interesting. Now I am drawing a circle. Now I am drawing a heart. Here is a star. Wow, great job! Now I am drawing a shape of pentagon. Here is a square. Great job! Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, pink color, light blue color, green color, orange color, brown color. Wow, great job! I like colors. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Lovely! Wow, amazing! Light blue, yellow, pink, orange, brown, red, blue, green. Wow, great job! Yellow color. Black color pen. Red color. Wow, I like red color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Wow, great job! Black pen. Lovely. Pink color. Black color pen. Wow, great! Green color pen. Black color. Wow.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
Blue color.
Goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Up goes the weasel.
Black color pen. Wow, looks great. Orange color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color?
Monkey thought it was all in good fun. Up goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle.
Black color pen.
Way the money goes.
Wow, looks great.
Goes the weasel.
Oops, silver color. Wow, I like silver pen. Do you like silver pen? Great job, lovely. Wow, wow, wow. Light green color.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Up goes the weasel.
Light blue color. It's done. Looks great. Wow, lovely. Bye bye. See you in the next video.